Gusto ka mo mga amiga. Bago na kami tapos nag-attend siyang RCIA ni John kay mapa-convert na sa for Catholic for sa church wedding naman. So I did not force him to do that, but he's so willing to be converted as a Catholic. So I'm so happy and I'm so grateful for that. And hopefully, you know, we can make it. So, I'm struggling with my. Alright. So nag-start kami diyan sa bank. Yeah. May other business ng ban ako. So for me, I'm going to eat my lunch, guys. Hindi pwede kain lunch. So nagbalong to rice with boiled egg. Nakakasudan, guys. So may ginahimo ko kung nag-travel kami nga doon. Gabalo me to rice. But then I'm good man. So yeah. There we go. Boiled egg and rice, no? Okay na. So guys, kaon kita. Nanyaga. So let's pray for this one first and thank you. Super cold. So may namakot sa akong confirmin ako with jacket even inside in the house. So hey guys, tugnaw gid siya akong tugnawon yung nga tao nga daan, guys. So biskan sa balay kailangan ko mag jacket na magkalo. Winter, I think stop na sa February, so kailangan natin masanay. Yeah, what's here? So, maghalong lang kita everyday. Keep safe na kita. Okay? Bye guys!